guys, welcome po sa ating vlog. So right now, we will going to show you this Acer Aspire A514-54. Specification is 14 inches LED monitor and i5 11th gen. It has an 8 gig DDR4 RAM and 512 SSD, and it has an expansion slot for additional SSD. Okay, so it's very sleek, makinis, and it has a small pin charger, and it has HDMI and Type-C, USB, tri connector. Okay, so it's nice, very convenient na gamitin kasi napaka linis ng itsura. Okay, so this is silver, and one of the challenge for this is kung meron tayong mga problema is how to open. That's we're gonna show you how to open this unit. Okay, so right now we are opening. I will show you how to open the Acer A5 unit laptop, and prepare your tools. Make sure that yung tools natin ay hindi nakakasira sa ating laptop unit. Okay, so do it slowly, and wag nyong bibiglain kasi baka ma-deform yung ibang, or merong maputol na mga wirings. Okay, so that's how to open. And right now we're going to remove the battery, the built-in battery, so to enable us to troubleshoot safely for the unit, for the motherboard to be safe. We need to remove the connection between the battery and the CPU. Okay, so let's try to remove. Okay, we're removing the battery, and it will be safe to remove other things. Okay, para hindi siya walang problema. Okay, and para hindi mag-short. This one is the SSD. We have to remove the SSD. The next thing is the memory, and of course we will remove the cable for the expansion slot for the storage. You can put here regular hard disk or SSD. Okay, and slowly. Okay, ingatan po natin yung ating pag-open kasi napakaliit ng mga parts. Ayan, so we have to remove this one. Be careful, the cable is very thin, and okay, we already removed and we are assembled again. So ito yung itsura na motherboard. Okay, don't forget to remove the battery if you will going to troubleshoot the motherboards to make it safe from shorts, electrical shorts. Okay, so thank you for watching.